welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, any move that kind of signifies the beginning of the end, as we've got to kind of talk about Windows 10 in that way now. Yes, Windows 10 gets support and security updates until the month of October 2025, which is still, more than 2.5 years from now. But still, we are seeing signs that Microsoft is slowly signing off, is slowly saying, this is now the past. We're going to keep security, but don't ask us to add stuff in the future much. And one of the ways that this is appearing is that, of course, today you guys might have seen that we've had the preview release update for the C-band updates for the bug fixes. So they appeared in the update in security and Windows updates as optional updates. And, this is the cycle that we've been seeing in Windows 10, which is an update for Patch Tuesday, the second Tuesday of the month for security. And a week or two later, we have the bug fixes that appear that show up. Well, this is about to end. We are going to get 2 more C updates, 2 more bug fixing updates in Windows 10. One in February, and the last one is going to be in March. After March of this year, the only updates Windows 10 will get will be once a month, and they will be the security updates. Now, I suspect if something goes wrong, there could be a possibility of an cycle bug fix. But for the most part, no more bug fixes in the month for Windows 10. They are just giving us security updates. That's, another sign of Windows 10 slowly being pushed off by Microsoft, saying, look, we're moving on, and we're moving on to Windows 11. We are pushing Windows 11. We know Windows 12 is coming late next year, 2024. Microsoft is looking forward, and by looking forward with other Windows versions and Windows 11, well, it's also saying, look, we're going to stop doing certain things on Windows 10. So, 2 more updates for bug fixes, February and March, and then it's just security updates until the end of 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And what do you think about that decision of Microsoft to stop the bug fixing updates after March of 2023 for Windows 10?